What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com. I have another video update on this site, Inboxdollars. I've been using it for a very long time, so I'm going to give you guys a full breakdown of what I'm doing to make money with this site. If you'll look up here at the top, you'll see I have $36.67. I'm going to be cashing that out at the end of this video, but like I said, I'm going to show you some of the things that I do on this site in order to make money. All right, now you'll see this is the home page. They have some surveys that you can take. There's surveys. They aren't difficult. Some of them do take, too long for the amount of money that they're paying. But, I always kind of just find one that's actually worth my time. So just, I don't want to be taking a survey for an hour and only paying me $1. You just kind of make sure it's worth it. Sometimes I can finish a survey quicker than they recommend as far as the time goes. But just, it really depends on you and how long you are taking the surveys. If you scroll down here, they have cashback offers that you can get when you go to different stores. These are good prices for the amount that you're buying. So one thing I like to do from time to time is when I go grocery shopping to kind of see what's on here that I could actually use. And if you look over here to the right, you'll see that they have, percentages on certain stores, eBay, Walmart, all of these kinds. So just look at that, from time to time to see if it's something that you would be interested in. Going down here, they have some offers. Now, some of them can be very high paying. So I'm going to go to the 100% free offers just to show you everything that's free. Because, some of them you might have to pull your credit card out for, but I don't like doing that. But 100% free offers, they have all of these different tabs you can use when you're on this site. There are some high paying ones as far as playing games, but you have to reach a certain level in the game in order to make money. But this right here, get your quote and earn $5, save money by lowering your bills, $12, things like this. They aren't difficult to do. You just have to be, do everything they say in the description. That's one thing people have to pay attention to. Do exactly what they're asking you and do all of that. These are some ones you just click on and earn. You get 2 cents, 1 cent, it's not a lot, but you have these available to you every day. And then looking at all of these offers they have, there's pages and pages of them. So there's plenty of opportunity on here. They reload this site every day with offers. So that's why one of my, favorite things to do on here is the offer, just because there's so many. A lot of them are easy. You just kind of fish through and find out, which ones you can do. They aren't difficult. Some of them are games. Some of them are just searching, some spot the difference here, 20 cents, stuff like that kind of adds up when you're, doing offers. So I never pay attention to, this is only paying 20 cents, but it's, it's only going to take me 5 seconds. That's how I look at it. If it takes me a short amount of time and it's easy to do, why not, let those offers pile up that way. But at the same time, you do have some high paying offers that you can do. Just like I said, is with the games, or, it might be something that might take you a little while to do. But at the end of the day, there's a lot of money in offers. So, this one right here, want to try free samples, 25 cents. That's basically putting in your name and your email, things like that. And you'll kind of have to fish through some pages, things like that. But it's very simple. Not a lot of, difficulty in that. I will go to the survey section just to show you how that works. Let me go to the survey section. The surveys they have on here, like I said, mentioned earlier, that, their surveys aren't difficult. One thing they do have right here is the best survey. That means you're, kind of have a good chance of qualifying for that. So it's not like something that's going to be disqualifying you all the time if you have a best survey. So just be mindful of that. Right here, they have, some other surveys you can do. Like I told you before, just pay attention to the time that it's asking you to do. If they're doing, get $1 for an hour, might not be worth your time unless you really want to do it. But, just then it depends on how fast you are taking surveys. But the scratch and win bar, I'm going to click on this. This is something you can do just by doing surveys, by doing offers. The scratch and bar fills up. Each $sign is an amount that you can scratch and get points for it. So I'm going to just scratch here and see how much I get. Probably about, 1 cent. Yeah, the first $sign is usually, 1 cent. And once it gets higher, it gets up to 5 and 10 cents. So like I said, the more offers and surveys you do on that bar will continue to fill up whether you're qualifying for them or not. So that's just another little bonus that this site offers. So you see my balance, it went up to $36.68. So, that's one of the things that'll kind of sneak up on you just making money with it. But you can also make money watching videos on this site. You see here, looking at all these tabs, you just kind of let it run. You'll get a penny for maybe 3 videos of playing. So what I found is, when it comes to other sites that offer video section, this is probably one of the highest paying ones. It doesn't sound like a lot, 3 videos, 1 cent, but you compare it to what other sites are paying you, it is better. And it's also one of the things that's passive. You can just let it run in the background while you're doing surveys and offers, just, piling your money up, with videos like that. So I always recommend, doing the videos kind of in the background. That way, you're just continuing to earn multiple ways kind of at the same time. So that's really cool when I think about it. Going over here to shop, they have some things you can do, cashback shopping. I showed that earlier in the homepage. You can print some coupons. You can buy gift cards. I mean, there's tons of different ways in the shopping. So when you're making a grocery list or something, you're going somewhere to buy something, always, recommend looking at a site like this. They got magic receipts. You can basically take a picture of every receipt that you have, and you can get money for doing that. 2 cents a receipt. So that, that really adds up. When you think about how many receipts you get on a daily basis, that can really pile up. And, you can find that you made like $10 at the end of the month just off receipts that you're going to throw away anyway. So some other things to have: coupons, games, get paid to play games. Some of them are just reach a certain level and you get paid. You can get paid to search on here as well. So instead of using Google to search for things, you can come over here to the search tab and, make money by doing that. Just another, way that you're not going to make a lot of money, but, a lot of these things are just small opportunities, but a bunch of small opportunities, kind of equal big money. That's the way I look at it. So, just another thing to take a look at, because I think a lot of people search, more often than they want to admit. So you might as well get paid to do it if you're going to do that. All right. So over here, if you click on this envelope, I have 22 emails I can read. And the thing about their emails, you get paid 2 cents for every email. So I'm going to show you how it works right here. You can do this on your phone or on a laptop, but all of these emails here, 2 cents. So all you do is basically just click on one. And all you have to do is confirm the paid email. You don't have to actually do anything with the email. Just
all I got to do here is refresh the page.
Once you click confirm, you see that I got my 2 cents and I got $36.70. And you'll see that. So you can just do that with all of the emails. It's another thing. They kind of give you I would say typically I get anywhere between 5 to 10 emails a day, but I don't really check them all. So sometimes they can kind of pile up, but just another way, like I said, just to make money with it. I mean, this site really does offer lots of different ways compared to other sites that, they don't do this. So, that's why it's one of my favorite get paid to sites. So you see I'm continuing to just open these emails, and each time is 2 cents. So this really is legit, and it really does happen. So now I'm going to show you the reward section that they have. Different things you can do. They have lots of different cash out options, Amazon, Best Buy, Buffalo Wild Wings, different, gift cards you can choose from, restaurants, retail stores, anything like that. They have offered, kind of scrolling down here, there's lots of different ones. Me, typically, I usually do PayPal, just send it straight to my PayPal account. It takes maybe 2 days for it to get here. And with PayPal, it's a minimum of $10. So you'll see here, if you scroll down, they got the cash out options you can choose from, $10 to $100, but it's the exact amount. So, for me, I have a little bit over $30 on my account, so I can choose the $30 one. I can enter my password, and I can click get rewarded, let it process, and just making sure they're sending me $30, and they're going to deduct it from my balance. I'm going to click confirm, and just like that, it's done. And I got $6.72 in my account. So, I mean, just like that, it takes, like I said, a couple days. It doesn't take long. I never had an issue with receiving my payment, so I never had to reach out to support saying, where's my money? It always comes in, it comes on time. It's been doing that for years. So, like I said, this site is really cool. Lots of different ways you can cash out on it. You see, I just did a $30 cash out. The cash out, it will come to my PayPal account. If it doesn't, you wouldn't even see this video. So just know that it is legit. And, you can sign up for it if you would like. I will leave a link to it in the description. It is completely free. It is one of my favorite sites, so I highly recommend you use it. Get started with it today. Sign up for free. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.